This is Arabic Easy for All A1.1 Arabic courses. Lesson 6, the present simple cases. The question asked is, when do we use the present simple tense? And of course, the answer is as follows. 1. The present simple tense is about now and today. As in the example, يتصل أخي بالمطعم. Today and precisely now. 2. The present simple tense is used when speaking in general. As in the example, أنا أريد الأطعمة الجزائرية. 3. The present simple tense expresses regular, repeated actions or routine. Like in the example, أنا أنهض على الساعة 7 كل يوم. In A1.1 Lesson 6, we learned about the present simple cases. In Lesson 7, we will, inshallah, learn about drinks. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time, inshallah. في أمان الله.